In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable unnecessary services in Windows 11. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Is your Windows 11 computer feeling slow or taking too long to start up? One possible reason is that too many background services and startup programs are running at the same time. By disabling services you don't need, you can reduce resource usage and improve overall performance. First, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type msconfig and press Enter. This will open the System Configuration utility where you can manage services and startup settings. Click the Services tab at the top of the window. Before making any changes, check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. This is a very important step because it prevents you from accidentally disabling essential Windows services that your system needs to operate properly. Once Microsoft services are hidden, you'll only see third-party services installed by other software. Review the list carefully and uncheck services for programs you no longer use or don't need running in the background. Only disable services that belong to software you recognize. After selecting the services you want to disable, click Apply and then click OK. Windows will ask if you want to restart your computer. Choose Restart to apply the changes. If you want more control over individual services, press Windows and R again. Type services.msc and press Enter. Locate the service you want to modify and double-click it. Find the Startup Type drop-down menu and change it to Disabled or Manual depending on your preference. Click Apply and then OK. You can also improve performance by disabling unnecessary startup applications. Press Control, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Select the Startup Apps tab. Look through the list of startup programs and right-click any application you don't want launching automatically. Choose Disable. In many cases, disabling startup apps provides a bigger performance boost than disabling services alone. Once you're finished, save your work and restart your computer. After the restart, Windows should use fewer system resources, start faster, and feel more responsive during everyday use. Just remember to avoid disabling Microsoft services or services required by software you actively use. And that's how you disable unnecessary services in Windows 11. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.